How to schedule Instagram posts with Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to schedule the post that is made on Canva, you can do it easily. For this, first of all, open your Canva account and then select the post that you want to schedule for Instagram. Once you have selected the template or the post, you can make enough changes to it. Once all the changes are made to the post, click on the share button which is on the top right. Once you tap on the share button, which is on the top right, you will see the option of share. Instead, you can scroll towards the left to click on Instagram icon. Once you tap on Instagram, it will now give you two options. Immediately post for Instagram personal and creator account, or you could schedule for the Instagram business account. But before that, you'll have to connect the Instagram business with Facebook business. Once this is done, it will be connected to Canva and you'll be given a calendar schedule to schedule your post. Once you have chosen your specific post, then you can click on continue and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.